Alright, so if I'm doing this problem, I'm going to treat it just like an X box problem. Remember, A times C would be 144. My B value would be negative 25. I'm not quite sure what the numbers are, so I'm going to list out all the numbers. 144 and 1. 2 times 72. Does 3 go in there? 4, 12, 48. Does 4 work? 4 goes in there. 3 times 3, 2, 38? No, that doesn't work, does it? 30, then 2, 6, 36. Anything? 12 times what? 12 times 12? Does that work? What? 16? 16 and what? 9? Yeah, good job, you. 16 and 9. What combination of 16 and 9? Negatives, right? Multiply, positive. Add is negative. Okay? Alright. Now, you don't have to use the box, but I just want to visually show you why I'm doing this. This red here is basically splitting of the middle terms. Okay? So when I put them in here, it's negative 16x squared and negative 9x squared. The first term always goes in the front, and the last term always goes in the bottom right. And essentially you have now factoring by grouping. So if I go across, I get x squared. This will be a negative 9, and this will be a negative 16. Oh no, look what they did to us. What did they do? Ah, we got to factor again. Do you see why I put those big old gaps there? Oh, you don't see it yet. Do you see it? It's really a 0x minus 9 and an x squared plus 0x minus 16. So if you factor those again, hopefully you recognize the difference of squares. It's going to be an x and an x. One's going to be positive, one's going to be negative. Some of you guys are starting to get good at it where you don't even need to draw an x, right? You're like just doing it in your head, thinking about it, which is good. And then that one, if you factor again, would be x, positive 4, and negative 4. So on this problem, you're just going to have to do a couple of factorings. They call this quadratic-like. Another way you could have done the problem, if that was a little bit too complicated, you could also have done something like x squared minus 25 x squared plus 144, and then put your z value in there, and then still factor it. Does that make sense? Okay, take 30 seconds. Clarify any questions your partner has. Ready, set, go.